Hello and welcome to I Don't Know What to Draw, another video where I show you an idea that I recently had of what you could draw, what I really enjoy drawing and what I thought was a lot of fun. So today I was working on a crossover between Animal Crossing and Pokémon, two things that I really love and that I fangirl over. And I thought it would be fun to make like a fake Amiibo card. I recently had a lot of YouTube videos recommended to me where it was about making fake Amiibo cards, like real fake Amiibo cards, and I thought it would be fun to make my own bootleg Amiibo cards with like Pokemon on it that don't actually work and they're not illegal. So first off, I started doodling a little bit on a piece of paper. I didn't record the process of that because that's more boring. But one of my favorite sketches was one that I made of Skitty. And I gave her a little bit more of like a cute style with like a little red flower and a little white dress. And that would be definitely one villager that I would love to have on my island. I also put her on a blue background because I thought that would be like a nice contrast to her pink color scheme. I like to work a lot with pink and blue colors, and I always feel like that those two really work well together. I don't know why, it just does, and I like it a lot. And you can see, if you go through my timeline on Instagram, you see a lot of pink and blue drawings. I just love this color combination. And here we have the final Skitty. This is what it looked like. Later on I added a number and a little bit more of the text below her in InDesign, and you'll see all versions in the end. Next one is Rattata, mouse Pokemon. I personally think this is probably the most unpopular choice because I know a lot of people don't really like this Pokemon. Me neither, but I thought it would be probably a cute villager. I gave him like a little bit more of like a cheeky look and an edgy leather jacket because I thought that would probably fit in with the cool crowd. Also, I wanted to have the challenge of creating a mouse villager that doesn't terrify me, and I'm really happy with this one. And this is the final Rattata. I gave a green background. I thought that would be also a nice complementary, you know, purple and green always work well together with like yellow in it. That's really common color scheme. And as you can see on the details, I also gave him, you know, you have like this rock, paper, scissors symbol on the right there. I gave him a little fist because, you know, he's rough and he's cool. Last but not least, we have a little cute little Deerling. I looked through a lot of characters and I thought this one would be an easy one as well. I don't have a deer on my island, but I do like the deer characters. There's not a lot of variation here because it's the second pink character out of 3, but I just thought it would be so cute to make another pink one. Maybe I'm gonna make a color version of it, you know, because Deerling changes through seasons. I think there's like a green, an orange, a brown, and a pink one, and I thought maybe one day I'm gonna make like different color versions of it, which can be a little bit difficult because I painted this on one layer, so I have to do a little bit more of editing in Photoshop, but that's fine. Gonna try it out. And that's our Deerling put onto a green background that is supposed to be a little bit more spring color, not the same color as Rattata, but a little bit more fresh green, because I thought, you know, it's spring, it's a spring Deerling. And the next thing we need to do is make a background, because I actually printed these out and I actually cut them together, and yeah, I did like a knockoff version of that Amiibo background, just put my own logo there, added a little bit of Pokemon stuff and Animal Crossing stuff at some spots, and so yeah, that's it. That was my random idea for this week, and I hope this inspired you to maybe do something like that. It was a lot of fun for me. It was a lot of work because I had to create this background of a template, and you always have to keep in mind to change the symbols on the card and the numbers and everything. But I would like to do more of these because I just love these little projects that are crossover and a little bit more random. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, follow me on social media. I'm mostly active on Instagram and Twitter, and I hope you enjoyed this. Have a good time.